right behind. Huh?
Today to get to this thing called life. Electric word life, it means forever. That's a mighty long time, and I'm here to tell you there's something else. The afterworld. A world of never-ending happiness. I like that. You can always see the sun, day or night. So if you call up that shrink in Beverly Hills, you know the one? Not everything will be alright. How much of your time is left? Ask him how much of your mind, baby. Cause in this life, things are much harder than the afterworld. This life, here on you. And if the element tries to break it down, go crazy. Fire boom. If you don't like words you live in, take a look around. These got friends. I said, call my old lady. We're gonna let the elevator bring us down. No, let's go crazy. Cause in this life, things are much harder than the afterworld. This life, here on you. And if the element tries to break it down, go crazy. Punch your higher boom. If you don't like words you live in, take a look around.